Thanadol Tvichok Rochagon. How are you doing? It's a pleasure to have you with us in the presentation today. And today I'm going to talk about what is the difference between logistics and supply chain management. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the difference between logistics and supply chain management? Logistics management is a small portion of supply chain management, which combines a flow of goods, switches information and capital right from raw material to its final consumer. While supply chain management is a broader term which is associated with the sourcing of raw material, procurement of consumer requirements, conversion into final products, and delivering on time at consumer end. Logistics management. Due to external constants, innovation and technology and internal advancements, supply chain management had evolved as an improvement over logistics. This article will help you understand the difference between logistics management and supply chain management. Well, first one is the basic difference between logistics and supply chain management is that logistics management is a process of integration and maintenance, flow and storage of goods in an organization, whereas supply chain management is the coordination and management, movement of supply chains of an organization. Another difference between logistics and supply chain management is that the objective of logistics management is customer satisfaction, while supply chain management emphasizes more on competitive advantage. Earlier, to deliver any goods or services to its final customers, only logistics management was applied, whereas supply chain management is an evolved and modern concept of the same. Another difference between logistics management and supply chain management is that logistics management involves only one organization, whereas multiple organizations. Coordination and collaboration of parties like suppliers, intermediaries, distributors, and customers are involved with supply chain management. Another most important difference between logistics management and supply chain management is that logistics management is a small part of supply chain management, whereas supply chain management is a new and modern concept. Next one is the difference between SCM and logistics is that supply chain management SCM involves the planning, implementation, and effective storage of goods and services between the point of origin and point of consumption to meet customer requirements, whereas logistics management's main objective is to deliver the right product at the right time with all other attributes in place. Another difference between SCM and logistics is that supply chain management is a series of interconnected activities related to the movement of raw materials to finished goods until it reaches the end user, whereas logistics management involves activities like warehousing, proper packaging, order fulfillment, stock control, and stock management. Another difference between SCM and logistics is that supply chain management is a broader term which refers to the connection with the suppliers to the ultimate consumer, whereas logistics management is associated with only maintenance and storage of goods. Logistics is a very old term, whereas supply chain has evolved as a new concept. Supply chain management is an addition over logistics management where both complement each other for effective distribution of goods and services. Finally, thank you for listening patiently and attentively. Thank you so much. Bye.